When you search for the best skateboard trucks, everything looks the exact same. Same black aluminum, same kingpin, same claims of durability. But if you've ever snopped a hanger or felt your board wobble mid-trick, you know the real difference isn't in the photos, it's in how they actually ride. Let's break down the 5 that stand out.
Product number 1, Ankney All-in-One Skate Tool. This Ankney All-in-One Skate Tool for $5.99. Now, I know what you're thinking. This isn't a truck, it's a tool. But here's the thing, if you're building or maintaining your board, this little T-tool is essential. It's compact, fits in your pocket, and handles axle nuts, kingpins, and mounting hardware. If you want something reliable to keep your trucks tight and your setup dialed, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This isn't just a screwdriver. The L-shaped Allen key stores inside the T-handle, so you're not fumbling with loose parts. It works with longboards, cruisers, even roller skates. Made of aluminum alloy and plastic, it's rust-proof and lightweight at just 0.11 kilograms. Over 900 people bought it last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the 30-day return policy gives you peace of mind. Now, some people might complain about the plastic parts feeling flimsy. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to be a hammer. It's a precision tool for adjustments, not heavy-duty prying. If you're gentle and use it as intended, it holds up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're building your first board or always tweaking your setup. Skip this one if you already have a solid multi-tool or prefer metal-only construction. For under $6, it's a no-brainer add-on.
Product number 2, Gizmo Complete Starter Set. That was a solid tool, but if you're starting from scratch, this Gizmo Skateboard Trucks and Wheel Set for $29.99 is a full package deal. It includes 239mm aluminum trucks, 52mm wheels, ABEC 9 bearings, riser pods, hardware, and even a T-tool. If you want a complete budget-friendly setup that actually works, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Everything's pre-matched. The 98 bushings give a smooth turn without being too loose, and the 7.6-inch axle fits 7.75 to 8-inch decks perfectly. The ABEC 9 bearings aren't top tier, but they spin clean and fast for the price. Over 100 sold last month, and it's aimed at beginners, so it's built to handle learning curves, literally. Now, some people complained about the wheels feeling a bit hard on rough pavement. Here's the thing though, 95A wheels are standard for street skating. They're durable and great for tricks. If you're mostly cruising, you might want softer wheels later, but for starting out, this is solid. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner building your first complete board. Skip this one if you already have wheels or prefer upgrading parts individually. For under $30, it's one of the best value starter kits out there. Now, if Gizmo's 52mm wheels felt too small for cruising, this next one takes a completely different approach with bigger, smoother rollers.
Product number 3, TLHB Starter Kit with 52mm wheels. The TLHB Skateboard Truck and Wheels Combo for $24.99. This is another full starter kit. Trucks, 52mm wheels, ABEC 9 bearings, hardware, pods, the works. What stands out is the die-cast aluminum trucks with medium carbon steel hardening, which means they're built to handle impact. If you want durability without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The trucks use a 608 standard bearing and claim a 30-second free spin, which is impressive for this price. The 95A wheels have a 60% rebound rate, so they're responsive without being slippery. It fits 7.5 to 8-inch decks, and the whole set weighs just 1 kilogram, making it lightweight but sturdy. Again, no reviews yet, but 100 plus sold last month shows people are taking the chance. Now, some might worry about the lack of brand recognition. Here's the thing though, many no-name brands use the same factories as bigger names. If you're okay with a lesser-known label for better value, this is a smart pick. This is perfect for you if you want a complete setup under $25 and don't mind a generic brand. Skip this one if you're picky about brand names or want upgrade potential. It's a steal for the parts included. Alright, that was a solid budget option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for cruising, thanks to bigger wheels and smoother bearings.
Product number 4, Gizmo Cruiser Set with 60mm wheels. We're stepping up with the Gizmo Skateboard Trucks and Wheels Set for $32.99. This one comes with 60mm wheels, ABEC 9 bearings, and the same durable aluminum trucks, but the bigger wheels make a huge difference. If you want a smoother ride for cruising or commuting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 60mm wheels with 83A hardness are softer and larger, so they roll over cracks and peels easily, perfect for street skating or getting around town.
The ABAC 9 bearings keep things fast, and the 2-year warranty shows Gizmo stands behind it. Only 50 sold last month, but that's likely because it's newer. Now, some people might say ABAC 9 isn't as good as ceramic or higher-end bearings. Here's the thing though, for most skaters, ABAC 9 is more than enough. You're not racing downhill, you're skating to class or hitting the park. This setup delivers where it counts. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and smooth rolling over pure trick performance. Skip this one if you're focused on technical street skating with smaller wheels. For $33, it's a great cruiser-ready package.
Product number 5, AXDT 70mm Cruiser Wheels and Trucks. The AXDT Skateboard Wheels and Trucks for $29.95. This set features 70mm wheels with 80A hardness, biggest on this list, and magnesium aluminum alloy trucks for extra strength. If you want maximum roll and stability for long rides, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 70mm wheels eat up rough terrain like nothing else. The 80A derailleur is soft, so it grips well and absorbs shock. The ABAC 9 bearings spin freely, and the trucks support heavier riders thanks to the hardened steel and baked finish. Fits 7.5 to 8-inch decks, and the 1-year warranty adds confidence. Now, some might worry the large wheels could cause wheel bite on tight turns. Here's the thing though, the included 2mm riser pods help prevent that. Just make sure your deck has enough clearance. This is perfect for you if you're commuting or cruising long distances. Skip this one if you're doing flip tricks or need a compact setup. For under $30, it's one of the best cruiser combos you can get.
So which one wins? The Ankni tool is a must-have for any skater. The Gizmo 52mm set is great for beginners. The TLHB offers solid value under $25. The Gizmo 60mm is ideal for smooth cruising. And the AXDT 70mm set is perfect for long rides. Pick based on your style, tricks, commute, or just starting out. Drop your pick in the comments and keep rolling.